Wow, what a beauty, y'all. Looking at this rain falling, actually falling. Yeah, I am appreciating this much more to actually falling under the lights on the fall field here. Look, let me see if you could see what I'm seeing here and appreciate it more. Let's look at the fall. Look closely. Can you imagine? This is what I'm talking about. Beauty. Beautiful. Can't get any better than this. Look. This is so beautiful. I appreciate this so much more. Oh my God, you can't wait. Can't lose. Ah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous.